Sound stripe.
Hi, this is Jeff Shetner with Xtreme Manufacturing, and today we'll get familiar with the operation of an Xtreme forklift. Before operating the forklift, make sure that you go through the safety walk around as detailed in the operation manual that is located in your machine, and make sure that you have the proper PPE for your job site. When entering the cab, make sure you use 3 points of contact. When you first get in the machine, verify that the operator's safety manual along with the ANSI safety manual are located in the operator's box behind you. Also, make sure that your mirrors are adjusted accordingly. And adjust your seat and put on your seat belt. Now let's get into the controls. First off, we have our ignition switch with it in the far left position for off, second position over for on, and all the way to the right to crank the machine over. On our steering wheel, we have our horn button along with a shift lever on the side. Push the joystick forward to go forward, pull towards you to go into reverse, and put it in the middle for neutral. To shift through the gears, rotate for 1 for first gear, 2 for second gear, and drive for automatic mode. On our left-hand side, we have our parking brake. With the cover down and the switch towards you, it is in the on position or parking brake is set. Flip the cover forward and switch to the off position to release the parking brake to drive. On our upper right-hand side of our cab, we have a reclinometer to show the level of the chassis. Below our display, we have our steer select switch. Pull the switch all the way towards you for 4-wheel steer mode for turning in tight radiuses. To center position for 2-wheel steer mode for road travel. And all the way forward for crab mode for traveling laterally. Next to our steering switch, we have our outrigger switches, if equipped, for left and for right. Pull the switch towards you to lower the outrigger, and push away from you to raise it back up. Next to our outrigger switches, we have our cab lights. Push forward to turn them on, pull it towards you to turn them off. On our right-hand side of the machine, we have our joystick. To operate the joystick, pull backwards to raise the boom up into the air. Push forward to lower the boom down. Move it to the right to extend the boom. And move left to retract the boom. On the top of the joystick, we have our tilt button. Roll it forward to tilt the carriage forward. And pull backwards to rotate the carriage backwards. Next to our tilt button, we have aux A on the top and aux B on the bottom. This will be for optional carriages such as fork position, side tilt, swing carriages, or pull grapples. Behind our joystick, we have our sway lever. Moving our forearm to the right, we will sway to the right, and moving to the left, we'll sway to the left. Now we're ready to drive the machine. First, place your foot on the service brake, then release the parking brake and set it to the off position. Then move the shifter away from you to go forward or towards you to go in reverse. Keep in mind that the backup alarm and backup light should activate when in reverse. Move the shifter to the neutral position when you're ready to stop driving. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.